And now, the Ouchie Beck Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird
I know a lot of folks who are extremely loyal to a banjo or a nice guitar. But I prefer a greasy can of olive oil with a broken broom handle by far. Some people think the sound of a trombone's divine, but I think West paper and a comb are fine. So blow the soda bottle, let the soup cans crash, 'cause one guy's treasure is another guy's trash. In Oscar's jump band, Oscar's jump band. Stamp your muddy feet and clap your dirty hands. We're gonna play the junkiest tune you can stand. Come on and hear Oscar Jump Band. Some music fans appreciate the pedal steel or a clarinet or violin. But me, I love the sound of dried up orange peel when you shake it in a sardine tin. You keep your tuba, give me paper tubes to play. Don't want a glockenspiel, I want an ice cube tray. We like it rusty, dusty, busted, bent, or old, 'cause one gal's garbage is another gal's gold.